Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey, people, it's Kiara from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, 3, 5, 7, sometimes even 10 different accounts. But we're only going to be using one because you guys are beginners. You don't trust the system yet. You know what I'm saying? So it's more of a trial run to see how they can make money and so on forth. And I kind of want to show you the type of results I'm getting by doing that exact thing. You know what I mean? I'm only using one account. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, links in the description below, all that good stuff, guys. And let's get started. Okay. So first off, what I want to mention is that the reason why I like promoting this particular product, the $25 all-in-one digital business, is simply because it's 80% recurring income. 80% recurring income, it means you get paid every single month. 80%. So, for example, if you guys were to go into the system, click on the link description, right, and purchase the $25 bill, which would cost $25, right, I would get $20 of that. Now, assuming that you guys stay in the system for another month or whatever, right, I would get another $20 next month, and so on and so forth. So it's very easy to build income using this system and getting a couple of people in the system. All right, guys. That's the main reason why I like promoting it in particular. Like, a ton of this money is that I make is recurring income. Like, I'm not even actually getting that many new sales. I'm getting people. I'm making money off of people that's been in the system for a while, for a couple of months now. You know what I mean? That's where most of my money is coming from. We ordered $200 here, recurring income. Like, so guys, that's why I think this system is very, very lucrative, right, guys? So anyway, guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna refresh the page here to show you real results. Don't believe results. Don't ever believe results until you see them hit refresh. It's very easy to change this to look like whatever I want it to look like. All right, guys. So here we go. All right, guys. It looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. Not a big deal. We'll be fine with it. It's not the worst thing in the world. We'll live. And but anyway, guys. So if you're interested in doing this particular thing, right, guys, there's links in the description. One link will say step one. That's the $25 business, guys. You click on that, right? It should take you to this page here. Once you get to this page, you can look up more about the $25 business, look up more about it, figure out what you want to do about it, and all that good stuff, right? So yeah, you can decide to do all of that stuff if you wish, you know, learn more about it. Now you decide, hey, I want to try this out, right? So you click on yes, I want in, or yes, I want access, or whatever. It'll show you to a video that you have to watch. You have to watch this video because it's explaining exactly what you're purchasing, and we don't want to trick anybody with buying the $25 business. I don't want nobody to be confused when they purchase the product. You know what I mean? So it's very, very concise about trying to make sure people understand what they're purchasing, right? All right. So once you do that, guys, it'll take you to this page here, and this page here is where you actually purchase the product, so to speak. So yeah, you just put in your information over here and all that good stuff, right? Now, what I want to talk about real quick is this. This right here is HBA Premium. Now, this teaches you how to get people into the system, like with Facebook ads, Facebook groups, YouTube, whatever it may be, podcasting, blogging, LinkedIn. They show you how to do ads and so on and so forth. Just a ton of ways to get people to click into your system and try it out. So give this a good shot here. This is a very good idea. All right, so what's working now, and basically it's updated constantly, adds more stuff to it, and you also get a machine, that a content creating machine that lets you it does whatever you ask it to. Like, say you ask it to write you an article or write you an email or whatever it may be, you get all that as well. Now this is going to be, if you click on my link below, it's going to be free for 2 weeks. All right, guys, it's going to be free for 2 weeks. And you can decide, hey, I want to keep this, I want to whatever, right? But then after that, it's $125. Now, if you stay in the system and pay the $125, I'll get $100 of that. And the same for you. All right, guys. But here's the issue. Here's the biggest issue here, guys. All right. If, for example, you were to get the $25 business and did not get this, right? And the 14 day, if you get a sale with this on the 14 days, you do keep that, by the way. But anyway, I want to make sure I clarify this. If you purchase this and don't get this, and then, for example, you get somebody in the system that does get this, you will not get that. You will not get paid for that. All right, guys? Because you don't have the product. If you don't have the product, you don't get paid for the product. All right? So I want to make sure I clarify that. So you can decide if you want to keep it or not, or get it or not, or whatever. All right? Then once you put in your information, right, it'll take you through to a page, and eventually you'll get to the login screen here, to the system here. It probably won't look the same down here, but it'll look the same up here. I have every single product, so any product that's purchased, I will get income from. But yeah, you're gonna get to this page here, and you're gonna click on affiliate zone. All right, guys, you click on affiliate zone, and what you do here, you want to click on sign up for the affiliate program here. You quickly sign up to log into SoundCart, and that's gonna take you to this page here. This is the page where you're getting paid and you get all your links from, guys. So the link that we're using is the all-in-one $25 business link here. So we'll click on that. That's the link you want to use. Now, what you want to do now is click on My Lead Gen Secrets. The second step in my description under this video, and you'll come to a page that looks something like this. And what you can do is read about the My Lead Gen Secret stuff. Basically, you get 100 leads every single day, fresh leads every day that you're gonna promote to. The thing is, they're cold leads, so you kind of gotta warm them up yourself. But honestly, just send them emails every single day, and you'll be all right. As long as you do that, I think you'll be fine. But yeah, you can go to Use Secret Now. You put in the email that you want to use, guys, and it'll take you to a page where, you know, all that, set up your account, whatever. So once you do that, you log into your account, right, like that, and you'll get to a page that looks something like this. They also have master email swipes that you can purchase. You do not need to purchase these. I'll give you plenty of emails. There's plenty of emails you can create yourself with the immersion tool. Well, if you got the HBA Premium, so you could just ask it to make your email for you. Alright, so it's plenty of ways to get emails, so don't worry about that. So then you want to click on mailing system. You click on mailing system, and then you collect all your leads here. You probably only have 100 at the start. Don't worry about that. You can still get sales. Don't worry about how many leads you got. I know I got a ton of leads, but I've gotten more. I've gotten some even with less leads, I've been getting more sales sometimes. Like like some of my smaller accounts get a lot of leads, get a lot of sales as well. So don't worry about having like a ton of leads or anything like that. So after that, guys, what you want to do, you want to come here. You can click on a email or whatever you want to do. We're gonna click on a new email here. Let's see. Okay, create unlimited income for life. We're just gonna load this up. You can copy this as well. Create unlimited income for life, and then like, you know, this is just it right here. You don't have to act in your dreams. Only people that ever change. The all-in-one business with ready to go $1.6 million sales system, blah blah blah, product blah. And it's a very short email that you can pause and read and write. You see how short it is. You can just pause that and copy it if you wish. And yeah, that's a very easy way to get to use this email very easily. And then, you know, click on perfect time and make sure you get your link in there, and make sure you preview and check if your link works. I know it works. I know mine works. I'm uploading an old email, so it still works. And anyway, guys, you send an email. That's all there is to it, guys. You're done. It's easy, quick. You know what I mean? And you just do this every morning. Now, if you have a ton of emails in like I do, it only take you a couple of seconds to do this every morning, so it's not really wasted and stuff. The only reason it takes me so long because I'm showing you guys how to do it. But once you know how to do it and get a ton of emails in there, you just upload emails and then put them in there, and then you're done. All right, guys, that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. The link's in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.